Hey everyone, Harris here with iDownload Blog. So when it comes to lightning cables, there are a lot of manufacturers, there are a lot of colors, kinds, lengths, everything about them. There are a lot of different variables. One variable that should remain constant though is MFI certification, made for iPhone, iPad. It's been around for a while, for over 10 years. It's a pretty costly investment both in time and money that manufacturers have to go through in order to get minimum certification from Apple that their accessories meet standard. Now, just because your accessory is MFI doesn't mean it is good or that it's perfect or the best, but it does mean that it meets minimum standards for safety, regulation, etc. However, there are certainly going to be some products that you see maybe in gas stations or on Amazon that say MFI, but they might not necessarily be truly certified by Apple. And if you're wondering if that is an issue, well, it may or may not. You could get a product that is non-MFI that still works. However, there are a lot of concerns with fake cables that include overheating, slower charging speeds, bad materials, and all these things when you're messing around with batteries can have problems to your iPhone's health or even just health hazards in general with the possible results of a bad charger. So if you want to make sure that your cable is truly MFI certified by Apple, the solution is just to head over to the website, which will be linked down in the description, enter in the model number or brand, and you can verify to see if that cable or accessory, including USB-C accessories, you can verify that that is truly MFI certified by Apple, and this will be official. There's no hijinks going on here. So if you check this out and use the website, you can verify that your accessory is going to be up to par at the minimum. Of course, different cables offer different features in terms of build, thickness, length, all that kind of stuff. So still check the reviews of the product that you are buying, but to ensure that it is authentic MFI, you can use this method. I'll link some of my favorite cables down in the description if you want to check them out, as well as a link to the Apple website. But that's about it. Make sure you check your cables that they are actually MFI. Probably stay away from gas station cables because you can still get some pretty cheap ones on Amazon that will be legit. Anyway, thanks for watching. If this was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this.